Hello, my name is Kandalan. My topic is topic extraction and query generation from websites. Before I start to my presentation, I would like to briefly mention it is not completed yet. It is my master thesis, and I will be submitting it in February. So it is still work in progress. That's why I can't show you the final results, but I do have some preliminary results that I can share at this stage. So I would like to start with a question, what does the term remigration mean? So in recent years, the word remigration has gained significant attention, especially after an investigative group active report on a secret meeting of extremist group, which included some politicians and influential figures. Originally, it's a term. Remigration is a term from social research. It means the voluntary return of a person to their homeland, but it has since taken on a political meaning, and so this word is recently widely used for far-right circles to advocate the mass deportation of immigrants, and it was even named the N-word of the year in 2023. So we can see here, so you have the ideologies can be spread through languages, and this is what my study does. So my system is designed to extract 11 keywords and key phrases from website content, which can be later used to create search engines and measure how a website performs compared to competing websites. I think this is crucial for addressing misinformation, combating radicalization, and identifying the spread of harmful narratives that can impact public opinions and social stability. And my research questions are: how effective is the developed system at extracting keywords and detecting newly emerging terms that aren't part in existing dictionaries, and what social trends can be identified by looking at the words of selected websites, and how can the system identify and track new ideologies and ideological movements within specific online communities. My methods are simply, so I just collect the data and then process it. A custom web scraping tool that uses Beautiful Soup and Scrapeye to collect the data. So the websites are crawled daily to capture newly published articles, and then they are basically stored in a MongoDB database. We can see here, for example, I choose for this poster, and I started working with a website that has an extremist rhetoric and which is in German language, but my system should be work for both languages, English and German. But for this poster, and I started with a website. As I said, it is more a far-right website, and I extract here. You can see the pictures here, the snapshots. In the figure 1, we see the extracted contents, extracted articles from this website. And I extract, for example, the title, URL, and full text. In this website, I collected around about 7,000 articles. This was the part of data collection, and then we are processing them. So the current articles are processed with natural language processing methods, and then I use Spacy to take them, like adjectives, nouns, and verbs. Besides individual words, I also extract multi-word phrases like engrams, where the second word is a noun and the first words are an adjective or a verb. So this helps to capturing meaningful phrases like ausgeprägte Deutschenhass, which is translated pronounced hatred of Germans, or for example Turkish Jugendclass, Turkish youth gangs. So this is important. The extracted words and phrases are then compared to a vocabulary, to a reference dictionary to identify uncommon terms that are not part of the existing vocabularies. And then new terms are stored in a vocabulary database. I will show. So, and then I also track the words over the time to see if the website uses always same vocabulary or they're creating some new words. So this is particularly interesting. And here we see, I can give some examples for traditionalistisch islamisch einmal Gesellschaften tradition. This is a word phrases. It means traditional Islamistic immigrant community. And then further down we see more vocabularies here from various texts from this website I chose for this poster. And yeah, for example, Freude-marxistischen Erklärungsschablonen, it is translated Freude-marxistisch explanatory templates. So my next steps are refining the multi-word phrases, so the extraction of multi-word phrases of noun words in the NIB data set, in the NIB word set, because some combinations are here not so relevant for my data. For example, just a verb and a noun, but the both of this combination doesn't make sense. Although I have some really good relevant words, but I should refine them. What I want to do as a second step is I want to expand my crawling mechanism to include the leftist website and not just the right circle website. And I have done it last week, and it works with my current program. But it will bring us to the next point, next step that I want to do. So my current program is just working for the websites that has sitemaps, but I should build a more scalable system. It should handle the websites that they don't have sitemaps to. But as I said, it is right now working with any kind of websites with my program, but I should expand it and make this more scalable. The last step, I'm planning to apply TF-IDF. I am doing this right now for each articles individually, but I wanna do this across all articles so I can give at the end the most relevant list. Yeah.